and I'm gonna be doing a video and telling you a little about myself, what I like to do, how I do it, and stuff like that. To start, my name is Shania Woods, which you should already know. My mom name is Nastasia. Mom has 5 kids, which name is Jeremiah, which is my twin, Keyshawn, and James. And the girl's name is Isis and Zanaya. That's my older sister, Zanaya. And on my dad's side, which my dad's name is Lorenzo, he have 5 kids. Well, 4. Including me, that's gonna be 5. Which name is, one second. My bad, back I was saying, yeah, my dad's name is Lorenzo. I have a brother named Lorenzo. They call him Boots, but his real name is Amarion. And my sister's name is Lazaya. She's Puerto Rican. And my other sister's name is Maya. Well, that's not my real sister, but I call her my real sister because you know how that goes. And I really love when people subscribe. I do not like haters, because if you're gonna hate, you can just slide off my page. Really, so that I'm just gonna hit the folks, and so yeah, just subscribe down below, and I really would like you to like post some videos down below and just show me what you look like, or pictures or something, so I would like give you shout outs, and you can give me shout outs so people can like my page. And I'm gonna be doing a dance routine after I do this video. So hope you like the video. Bye.